Guess what? Oh, I look fucking raggedy, but I'm in my new apartment. Ah! Okay, the echo is definitely not. So let me just quickly do an apartment tour. Let's see here, and let's see here. I don't know what I'm doing, but I think it worked. Yes, the way izinto bezenzeka ngakhona bengingayiboni mina le ndawo ngiyithola. Bengingasaboni. I've been waiting for this day since, I don't know, like last week, and I'm so mad that the opportunity yokuthi ngifile kahle, the opportunity yokuthi need to take in everything that's happening ayikho. So I don't know. I don't know. But yo guys.
A few moments later.
Welcome to my apartment. Okay, so unfortunately I don't have anyone who's going to assist me with the tour, so I'm going to have to do it myself. So first up is this space, like storage space, that is right behind the door. I really wish it had like some sort of space here for like your mops and your people's brooms and stuff, and then I have like an open space right here. So let me just go outside and show it to you. So I hope this try to focus. So yeah, there's just this open space right here. So I guess we could say that it's a living area, and that's probably where my TV is going to be, cause there are no plugs apart from this one, this side. So let's start with the bathroom. So with the bathroom doesn't really have lighting high, but I don't mind that. I am so in love with the fact that I will have some space underneath the sink. So I don't think I saw this part, but this is also great. And then the loo. I don't really like the shower head, and just because angekho right ekhanda, why is there no lighting here? Just because angekho right ekhanda, I would definitely change the shower head. And then we have my bedroom. Let me just quickly close this. So the bedroom and the bathroom are, I don't want to say small because they're big enough for me, but yeah, I feel like they decreased the size of the bathroom and the bedroom because obviously they wanted to make the living room and the kitchen a bit bigger. So I really like that, because yeah guys, the places I would see, the bathrooms would be tiny and the bedroom is like tiny and the living space is so close to the kitchen. So I really hate that. I hated that so much. I really like Lama Specs. It's the best thing in Namuhla. So there's this part which I'm not exactly mad at, and then there's too much hanging space, And then for the first time ever, this is like my third place, yes, I'll have drawers. So I'm really excited about that. Last but not least, which was the deciding factor for me when it comes to this place, is obviously the kitchen. You have a cooking area right here, and you have, I guess I could call this a scullery. I don't want to, but yeah, it's like away from everything else. There's like space for all your cleaning supplies. There's a double of that, so I really like that. I love the double sink. And then I have this cupboard. I'm probably gonna put the bulky foods right here because I can. And there's like space here, which is weird. Like, why would you not cover this part? I love storage space, guys. It's one of the things that sold me on this place. So yeah, there's like so much space. All the drawers and the cupboard doors have soft close. You can't bang the doors or the whatevers. If you've watched my apartment hunting video, you know that I did say that I actually want a gas stove this time. So the nice thing about this place is that I got everything that I wanted. Is it everything? I have a gas stove, which is something I usually say I don't even look at the place if it doesn't have a gas stove. The living area is very long. No, not very long, very big. It's not very big, but compared to what I've seen and where I've lived, this is the biggest. What was important for me in my apartment hunting is obviously a nice looking kitchen and a nice looking bathroom. It's a linear kitchen, as I did show you. So, and I also like, let me actually just quickly show you. I also like the fact that, you know, the dishes are going to be this side, meaning that what do you call this? I don't want to say it's a scullery, but right now, it's away from everything. Let me try to show you. You see, so if I am sitting right here, I can't see the dishes. I can only see what's right here, so I can't see what's on the other side. I wanted a linear kitchen because obviously this is like a small space. When you have like a linear kitchen, please don't roast me, that's how I call it, that's what I see. I see linear kitchens make your place appear bigger. I don't like the C, I don't like the L. That gives me so much anxiety. I don't really have anything to say, because I think this is where the thingamabob can actually end now. I don't know where all of these videos are going to start or end, because I've only done an intro once ever since I started vlogging this whole thing. This is the first outro that I'm going to do now. So thank you so much for watching this empty apartment tour. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share the video, and yeah, I am going to see you in the next video. I really don't know how this whole thing is going to go, so sizobona sekwenzeka.